Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the small business world and exploring one of the most in-demand services, home cleaning. Whether you want to start a side hustle or create a full-time business, this guide is for you. So grab a pen, take some notes, and let's get started. Initial investment. Let's address the financials before we get into the fun stuff. Starting a home cleaning service requires a modest investment, but don't worry, I've got you covered with a budget-friendly breakdown. Equipment. Vacuum cleaners, mops, brooms, and cleaning supplies cost approximately 10,000 pesos on Shopee, Lazada, or DIY stores. You don't need top-of-the-line gear. Start small and upgrade as you grow. Marketing, advertising, and promotion, approximately 3,000 pesos. We'll get into some low-cost strategies in just a moment. Permits and licenses. Barangay permit and mayor's permit, usually around 1,000 pesos, and any other required permits, consult local authorities. It might sound tedious, but this step is crucial for operating legally and building trust with your clients. Customer acquisition strategies. Now let's talk about how to attract customers. Here are some effective strategies that can help you stand out from the competition. 1. Social media marketing. Create engaging content on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Share before and after photos, cleaning tips, and customer testimonials. The more you connect with your audience, the more they'll trust you with their home. 2. Facebook Marketplace. Don't overlook the power of Facebook Marketplace. It's a free platform where you can list your services, target specific neighborhoods and barangays, and even offer promotions to attract new clients. The key here is to be responsive. Quick replies can turn inquiries into bookings. 3. Local partnerships. Collaborate with real estate agents, property managers, and other local businesses. Offer them a discount in exchange for referrals. You'd be surprised how far a good relationship can take you. 4. Referrals. Happy customers are your best advertisers. Offer incentives to satisfied clients who refer new customers. A simple discount or a free add-on service can go a long way. 5. Online directories. List your business on popular local directories like Google My Business and local barangay groups. This will help potential clients find you more easily when they're searching for cleaning services online. Now, let's get to the exciting part. How much can you actually make? Let's assume you can acquire 10 customers per day, charging an average of 300 pesos per cleaning. This would result in a daily revenue of 3,000 pesos. If you have 2 cleaners working for you, each earning a daily wage of 300 pesos, your labor costs would be 600 pesos. Subtracting labor costs and other expenses, you could potentially earn around 2,000 pesos per day. Remember, this is just an estimate. Your actual profits may vary depending on factors like operating costs, competition, and the demand for your services. The key is to stay adaptable and keep refining your approach. Starting a home cleaning service can be a rewarding and profitable venture. With the right planning and execution, you can build a successful business that provides a valuable service to your community.